Yes, hello guys, good morning. So I'm gonna show you one of I'm gonna show you an example of a very friendly dog. Her name is Venus. So I'm gonna call her and you will see that she will come to me. Okay, hold on. Venus! 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 Oh, see, guys, there she is. She came, right? So she's very friendly, and she's a good dog. Oh, see, she went out again. I'm gonna call her. Venus, Venus. Oh, see, you will see her. Yeah. Venus, 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 Venus. Oh, see, guys, there. Good dog, Venus. Good dog. Good baby.